day has arrived. I've been looking for this for a long time, and I managed to get my hands on it once again. Let's get it open. Guys, look at this. Look what I got. Look at this. This is my first ever mobile phone I ever had when I was a young lad at 16. Let's get it open. Right, let's show you this. Reveal the phone. Oh, look at the condition the box is in. Oh my God, there it is, guys. Look at that. This was the first phone I ever owned. And look at this. Look at the condition. It's like brand new. It is brand new. Wow. Let's get it charged up and switched on. There we go, look. It's charging. Look at the condition this phone's in. It's immaculate. My old mobile phone. Took some while to track it down, but awesome. I'm so over the moon with this right now. Like, this phone brings back so many great memories when I was a kid. Now I gotta go over to the Vodaphone shop today and get a SIM card for it. Wow. And then I gotta go online and get a cover for it too. Unreal. And here's another look at the box, guys. And this phone is literally about 30 years, nearly 30 years old. It's the Vodaphone MN1 in gold. It came in red, black, and gold. From Vodaphone Pay As You Talk, we used to buy top-up cards here in the UK. So there you are. There's the confirmation there. Buy a top-up card or pay by credit or debit card over the phone. Top-up vouchers can be per 5, 15, 25, or £75. They were set at tariffs. There you are. You're connected to the standard tariff. 5p per minute off peak. Weekday and all weekend. For further Pay As You Talk tariff information, contact. Oh my God, they bring back so many memories. To stay connected to the service, you need to buy a top-up. You, however, take a break from the service for up to 6 months before your SIM card expires. Well, here you go. Anybody in the UK remember this phone? Like, I remember this phone vividly. To try and track this phone down again after owning it years ago is just, insane. But really happy that I managed to get one. Let's show you a bit of settings here. Right, ringtone. God, they were the days, weren't they? Jesus, man, brings back so many memories. Here we go. That's standard ringtone. Whoa, it's loud. God. There we are. No fancy ringtones back in them days, guys. Oh, it's on blur. No fancy ringtones back in them days. Well, there you go. Just switched it off now to charge. Finally got my hands on my first ever mobile phone. Now I need to go online and get a cover for it. Just to keep it safe and stuff. So, will I ever use it? The thing is though, will it actually work on this day and age? I don't know. I actually don't really know, but I'll look into it. But yeah, guys, there were the phones back in the day. None of the smartphones now and cameras on phones and stuff like that. Basic communication. But by God, they were good days. So what do you think, guys? This phone brings back so many memories from when I was about 16. This was released in 1997, this phone. And look at the condition, as I said to you. Not a scratch on it. Look, it's incredible. What a phone. Yeah, it took me a while to track down one like this. Obviously, I know you can get some on the likes of eBay and stuff like that, but I managed to track down a seller who had practically a brand new one in the box. So this is it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short video, guys. I managed to get my first ever mobile phone back again. I'm so happy. That'll be added to my little collection. Now, I'm going to try and figure out to see if I can get it working again. I don't think it's going to be able to work on, obviously, with the networks and all now being 3G or obviously 4G and 5G and all now. So I don't think we're going to get working. But anyway, I'm over the moon. I'm chuffed to manage to get my hands on one. So something to add to the collection of my great memories that I had when I was a young lad at 16. God, I actually remember buying the phone like it was yesterday. My God, it was like, oh, the good times. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, where I get my hands once again on my first ever mobile phone. And if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like on it. Also, subscribe below. I'm going to be doing another vlog here later on today for Lewis, because Lewis potentially is leaving school today. So I'm going to be doing another vlog with Lewis later on today. So stay tuned for that. But yes, over the moon, guys. Got my hands on my first ever mobile phone. So happy. Right, till the next one. See you all soon, guys. Thanks for watching.